We say we'll never surrender, but it's hard to remember exactly what we're fighting for. We've got the eye of the tiger, it's the night of the
Hello good people, I'm JP, a music producer and stunt guitarist with Squad Car 37. And today, I'm going to show you how to use the iPhone Memoji feature to create awesome videos just like this.
I need a time machine to bring me back to you. I need a time machine to bring me back.
Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is open your Messages app and act like you're going to send a text message to yourself. Now down below you'll see the Memoji icon, so click on that. Now this is where you create your Memoji. You can do that by hitting the plus sign. Now I've already created one, so at this point click the little camera icon, select video, and then select the little star icon. Now this flips the video back to selfie mode, and then you'll see the Memoji icon down on the left. Click that, select your character, and there you go. Now if you film your Memoji with a green screen behind you, then you can change the background. So X out of that, click record, and now you're recording your Memoji. Once you're done, click the record button again, and then text it to yourself. Once you receive it in your text message, just save it to your phone's photos. And from there you can airdrop it to your computer or email it to yourself. If you record your Memoji in front of a green screen, you'll be able to key that out later and add any background you'd like. Here's an example of a Memoji I recorded in front of a green screen. Next, I pulled that into the video session and used a keyer to key out the green screen so that the background in the video is what shows behind the emoji. And there you go. And that's it. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Leave your comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Whoosh. Here's a bonus tip. If you're looking for great background still images, check out unsplash.com. I used a bunch of background images from this site from my most recent music video, 1982. And if you haven't already seen that, here it is.
We say we'll never surrender, but it's hard to remember exactly what we're fighting for. We've got the eye of the tiger, it's the night of the rider in a digital cyber war. Dawn is red, and the computers are taking over. My modem's receiving transmissions from across the void. The ghost of your image possessing my Polaroid. I need a time machine to bring me back to you. I need a time machine to bring me back to 1982. Weird science and advances, technological trances, androids and robo-drones. The world's a virtual wasteland, cybertronic graceland for the king of the cyborg clones. Dawn is red, and the computers are taking over. My modem's receiving transmissions from across the void. The ghost of your image possessing my Polaroid. I need a time machine to bring me back to you. I need a time machine to bring me back to 1982. I can still access arcade memories, 8-bit analog symphonies of you. Your pixels in the microchip still glow. The Canyon Drive, your heartbeat, your pink polo. My modem's receiving transmissions from across the void. The ghost of your image possessing my Polaroid. I need a time machine to bring me back to you. I need a time machine to bring me back to 1982. My modem's receiving transmissions from across the void. The ghost of your image possessing my Polaroid. I need a time machine to bring me back to you. I need a time machine to bring me back to 1982.